All right, hello everybody. Thanks so much for joining me again. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Michael, and I hope you're having a wonderful day so far. Gonna be jumping back into chapter 5 of Python Crash Course and taking a look at the Try Yourself problem 5-9, no users. Add an if test to helloadmin.py from 5-8 to make sure the list of users is not empty. If the list is empty, print the message we need to find some users. Remove all the usernames from your list and make sure the correct message is printed. So let's go back to our 5-8 hello admin, where we have a list of 5 usernames, one of which is admin. We loop over that list of usernames, and for every username in usernames, we're going to do some conditional logic to detect if the username is the string admin. If it is, we'll print this message. And if it's not, we'll print this message and insert the username dynamically using an f string. Let's go ahead and copy this code to our 5-9. And before we actually do the call here to loop over the usernames, we want to check if there is any usernames to actually loop over. We can say if usernames, just like this, we're going to go ahead and run the statement and nest that inside. So if there is usernames, this will return a Boolean statement, true or false, for any objects within the actual list. If usernames, run this. Now it's common you'll see the opposite approach take place, where you do the kind of inverse logic first to handle the case where that doesn't happen, and then by default you run this with some sort of else statement, right? So if not usernames, let's go ahead and print, we need to find some users. Else, meaning there is usernames in this list, let's go ahead and loop over the list and do this. If I go ahead and copy down the usernames list, comment out one of them, and actually remove all the usernames, we should hit this print statement, not enter this else block, and kind of end up here at the end at line 13. Let's go ahead and run this. We need to find some users. Let's go ahead and put this back and make sure that it's working for the original code as well. Sweet. It hits that for loop because it detects there are usernames in the usernames list, and so it goes ahead and runs this for loop in the else block. I believe in Python we also have the ability to use else statements in combo with for. I'll copy our print statement. We could remove this, bring this back, put an else here, and paste in our statement here. If I go ahead and remove this, we should hit this else statement because there was no username detected in usernames. And as you can see, we need to find some users. So this is the exact same as what we did before, but we condensed it by using a trailing else in combination with this for loop to catch if this looping never takes place, because there is nothing to actually loop over because the list is empty. Awesome, you guys. That was 5-9, no users. Thanks so much for being here, and I'll see you guys in the next one.